Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to learn how to make a circle with only 3 lines. Let's get started. First, go to Edublocks, start coding. This is an easy level because we've been doing kind of hard things. So this one's an easy one, very easy. So first you start by changing the name. This one was, I don't know, soft wildflower. So is a yeah, okay, what kind of name would you want? Mine, I've named it like will start 3. Yeah, no. I'll name it 3 circle. Yeah, circle. Then I update because if I press enter, it won't appear on the main part to see. Date. This one you should think that it's supposed to go, but if you make it, yeah, it has to stay. So you go to import the turtle. Then you go to turtle. Turtle. I know this part you know, so this one's might be easy. You go to turtle, then we take speed. Here is when it's getting hard. The speed we can just leave it at 10. Go back to turtle, or you can go back to turtle if you don't want to add loops, but I'm gonna go to loops. Then we take it, only one loop, don't take 2. Then we go down here, take 3 circles because it's 3 circles. Place just place them all in the loop. Change this one's okay. We can change this one to like 70 and this one 100. Yeah, that's okay. If you want a pen color, you can add, because I'm gonna add. So you you take pen color, go back, take PG color. Make some space. Yeah, that's enough. So we can just add any color. Just make a color. We're gonna go with 173. Let's see. Then we go 274, and here we can take like 490. Okay. Here 214. Here's okay. This one we can put like 321. Here we can put 730. Yeah, can put like that. Then we run. Now you see it's still continuing because in the range it's directing it how many times to go the loop. So here we just change it to 1. If you want it to go 1,000 times, you just put 1,000 and it will go 1,000 times, if I'm sure. So we'll put just 1, so it goes once, it doesn't go a lot of times. Three. Yeah, and I don't know why it went black. We can change the color. It's black cause, so we'll change this to white. 300. The color of white is 300, 300, and 300. In the next class, I'll be like showing you something that you have not been doing. So I'm not sure if it's gonna record. Oh, okay. Okay, bye. Please like, subscribe, and comment.